This specific one out of the 5 robots that they offer claims a 17.44% average monthly growth. This one claims a 47.65% average monthly growth. Imagine what that would do to your investment or to your bank account. Well, hi there, my friend, and welcome to another video. And in this specific video, like we do with all the others, we will be doing a Wall Street Forex Robot 3 review. Okay, the purpose behind this is I want to open up the 4 Forex robots on the sales page that they are offering to individuals, or statistics that they are offering, and I'm going to delve into the depths and the details on the MyFX book accounts and show you, as a Forex robot trader, what you should look for and what should be a flag to you and what shouldn't be. Now, from my opinion, based on what I've looked at, based on the analysis, based on what we are going to look at now, yes, this is a good Forex robot, and yes, it does have a few red flags for me. At the same time, it's worth the shot. It's worth the try. Never invest money or anything that you're not willing to lose. Just a tip from me to you. Before we get started, please give this video a thumbs up, a like. Reason being, I wanted to rank as high as possible, as quickly as possible within the search engines, to help more individuals like yourself to make an informed decision whether they should buy a Forex robot, for instance, the Wall Street Forex Robot 3, or not, and numerous other Forex robots. And if you want me to review something else for you, let me know in the comments. Okay, now before we get started, I want to share something with you. I want to share myself. Who am I? Who are you watching this video, listening to, before we get into the review of this Wall Street Forex Robot? Okay, let's quickly head over to my website. This is my website, errolmuller.com. Okay, I'm going to head over to the homepage. You are more than welcome to subscribe to the weekly newsletter and browse around on my website. The reason and the purpose of creating this website is to share with you information and knowledge in order to create multiple sources of income. Now, if you want to, you're more than welcome to head over to the About page, where I share a little bit about myself, a short version. So long story short, I started my Forex trading and my online making money journey in the year 2012. This is the year 2023, and I can tell you I've had ups and downs. I've lost a lot of money. I went on Forex trading courses. I've blown accounts, and it was up until the year 2014, 2015 where I really started to succeed. And it's part of life. You have to go through failures in order to get to where you want to be. It's part of the journey. Failure, what is the opposite of failure? Success. So you have to go through the failure part in order to be successful. It's called success tax. I heard that from Dean Graziosi. Wonderful man. In any case, so call it your success tax. You have to go through the difficulties. Now, that is the purpose why I created this website, and is to share with you multiple sources of income, knowledge, and information to help turn your life around and your finances. Now, big disclaimer, I am no financial advisor. I'm not an investment specialist. I'm not licensed of any sort. I cannot guarantee any of your results or any successes or anything. What you do it at your own risk. I'm just sharing my personal opinion and results and analysis and reviews with you. Okay, now let's delve into the review. I'm very excited about this, and I'm going to show you quickly where you can get access to this specific Forex robot should you be interested and you would like to purchase it. Like I said, I'm just here to help you make an informed decision. Whether you want to or not, it's entirely up to you. Okay, so back to my website. I want you to hover over the Forex Trading tab, click Forex Robots. There are numerous other Forex robots for you to have a look at. This specific link is where there's numerous Forex robots in one place for you to have a look at. This is a very good Forex robot, the FX Stabilizer. Then the Wall Street Forex Robot 3.0, you can get access to it right here by clicking the Access Now button. Forex in Control, very good Forex robot, and so forth and so on. If you want to see a few of these Forex robots, reviews about them, you are more than welcome to. On the top right hand side of your screen now, there will be a notification button popping up where you can gain access and view other Forex trading robots. The Forex Truck is a very good, very profitable long-term Forex robot with many years worth of trading history, a real live account. I would highly recommend this to anybody. But then again, it's entirely up to you. So this is where you can get access to the Wall Street Forex Robot 3.0 on my website. Okay, now over to the robot. Let's start this review. Firstly, it's a wonderful, brilliantly put together sales page, sales presentation. Wonderful, nothing wrong with it. I'm not too worried about all these flashy things. What I am worried about is the statistics. That's what makes a Forex robot for me. Is I want to delve into the statistics and I want to see what is happening. So for this instance, we're going to review. We're quickly going to have a look at this robot's results. I've already opened the accounts. This one, Wall Street Asia again, and then the Wall Street Recovery Pro. So let's quickly delve into this. Okay, and what you get with this, you get different packages. Let me show you quickly before we continue. If you get the premium account, you get 5 expert advisors, all 5 that they have to offer. Then if you purchase the basic account, you get 1 expert advisor. Premium, obviously most popular because you get all 5 robots, and then you get the ultimate pack, which is all 5 EAs, including a bonus indicator. Okay, so let's go to the statistics. That is what I love doing. If you've watched any of my videos, give this video a like, leave me a comment. If not, I highly suggest you check out my channel because I review Forex robots in detail. Not just that, make money online scams and a lot of things that I try and expose. Whether it's a good thing, I expose it for the good. If it's bad, I expose it for the bad that it is. So yes. Okay, let's start with the first one. The first Forex robot. There's 5. I couldn't find the 5th one. I've only got 4 open here. I'm not sure what happened to the 5th one, why it's not on their website. Maybe I'm just looking in the wrong place. Now let's start with this one. The Wall Street Recovery Pro Real. Okay. Big tip from me to you when you review any Forex robot. Firstly, I highly suggest you look at a real account because that is when individuals promoting these products and things are putting their money where their mouth is. They are willing to invest in their own Forex robots to prove that it is working. Okay, in this instance, we click the General tab. You can see it is a real account and they are using a leverage of 1 to 500. I usually recommend a 1 to 200. Depends on what they suggest. Okay, depends on what the robot suggests. Okay, that's the first thing. It's a real account. It's got leverage. Okay, that's good. Custom analysis. In this case, there is no custom analysis set for this specific robot. What that means is Forex traders or developers are known for hiding their previous results. So they set the custom analysis and there will be a big thing popping up here to say the custom analysis is set, meaning they are hiding a few years or some of the data that you can't see it, but you can actually see it. If you've got an account, you can see I'm logged in to my FX book. Then you can set the custom analysis to bring up all the data since this Forex robot started, since they launched it in the market or made it live on my FX book. It will bring up all the data. Because in this case, I like it because there's no custom analysis set. The track record is verified. That's another plus point. The trading privileges verified. That's another plus point. Okay. What I want to look at another thing I want to look at is the average monthly growth. In this case, they claim a 3.14% average monthly growth. For me personally, that is perfect. I like anywhere from about 1.5%, 2.5%, all the way up to 5%. Anything above that is extraordinary, but even a 2% per month. Think of the compound interest. Think of what you are getting currently at your bank. What are you getting from your financial advisor? What are you getting from other investments per annum, per year? Then think about it. Are you getting a 1%, a 2%, a 0.5% versus a 3.1% monthly gain? Not annually, monthly. And then compound that 3.1% per month. So it's 3.1% on the total amount that's there. Then the next month, another 3.1% on the total amount. And that's what compound interest is. Okay, so far it's looking good. The deposits that they've made within this real account is $6,567. And then the current balance is standing at $8,500. And this is the graph. Now, one thing that did stand out to me, which me personally, I don't like it. They've recovered very nicely. There was a bit of a down year, and then they started basically recouping the loss, and then the equity is coming down again. So that for me is like a bit of a flag. Reason being, let me show you. So on the growth, click the balance tab. On the balance, the account's been growing very well. You can see that they've made no deposits, because usually if somebody makes a deposit, it will have like a big spike in order to try and recover for the losses. In this case, it's looking very well. The profit, this is how the account's been growing without deposits. This is pure profit. It does not show deposits, just profit. This is how the account's been growing. They have not made any withdrawals, as you can see, which is 0. This was actually a loss, not a withdrawal, and it wouldn't show here, but just explaining to you and telling you. And then they've recovered quite nicely. Not 100% yet, but they're getting there. Drawdown. This robot claims to have a 35.9% drawdown. Now, I don't like, that's very high for me. Personally, that's way too high. Meaning, if you lose 3, 6, 9, if you lose 3 trades, basically, you've blown your account. Call it like that, 4 trades, with depending on whatever's left. So a drawdown means you are willing to risk 35.9% of your account within one trade. If that trade loses, you lose 35.9% of your account balance. And as you can see, it's been trading since February the 7th, 2023, till call it about March the 17th, 2023. It was quite high. And look at that, 31.18% drawdown, 31.58. And if you look at this graph right here and you go back to the balance, you can see that is what it is. That's where the account is currently at, or was at, and that is the equity, the balance that was actually left. Because what happens is the Forex Robot would usually open numerous trades to try and recover losses. I'm not saying that's a specific one for this robot, but that's usually what happens, is they open up multiple trades to try and recover the losses for one trade, and then this happens. It runs way down into the drawdown and the equity becomes very low. Or it can be one trade that literally went into a huge loss. Okay, so I'm not saying that is the case, I'm just pointing it out there for things for you to think of, to look at when you research a Forex robot. Okay, now other than that, it looks very good, very consistent. Scrolling down, I'm not too worried about the rest of the data. I can sit here days on end to take you through this. Like I'm telling you, I've been doing this since the year 2012, where I've actually started my whole journey till now. You can calculate that's what, 8 years, 8, 9, 10, 11, about 11 years that I've been literally within this Forex trading industry, online, making money online, affiliate marketing, a lot of things, building a business online. So yes, I do know what I'm talking about from time to time. I do make mistakes as well from time to time. So if I'm saying anything that is not valid, let me know. Put it in the comments. Okay, trades, I'm not worried about too much of the trades. The summary. In this case, this specific robot trades 2 pairs, the Euro USD and the GBP USD. That's the summary of how many trades it's taken and what the won percentage is versus the lost percentage, the profits, and so forth. Okay, then what I do want to do is the duration. Very important. You want to look at the average trade duration of the trades. In this case, most of the trades averages about 16 hours to 1 day, then a few of them about 6 days. Okay, that is the duration, which is not bad. Obviously, you want to try and close a trade within the same day, because then firstly you're going to pay swaps, which you don't want, and if you're trading on a commission account, you're going to pay commission. I would highly recommend trading a commission account. I've been using my same broker since the year 2012, and I've never had any issues with them, no withdrawal issues, nothing. They are very strict, which is awesome. I like it. Low spreads, low commissions, everything. If you want to see the broker, let me show you. On my website, you go over to the Forex Trading tab, hover over Forex Trading, click Forex Brokers, and then this is my FX Open. This is the broker that I've been using, and I've been using them for years, since 2012. And I haven't had issues. Another very good Forex broker is FX Choice. You're more than welcome to have a look at them as well. I wouldn't recommend them if I did not think that they are good and trustworthy and reliable. Okay, so while I'm at it, before we continue with the rest of this analysis and things for you to look at before making a purchase, if Forex trading is not for you and you would like to build a long-term, sustainable, wealthy, profitable business, a successful online business that literally once you've got it going, it runs on autopilot. You can make as much money as you possibly want once you figure out how to actually make money. It's almost like printing money, if I can put it like that. It's just you have to get through the failures in order to become successful. I joined this business back in the year 2015, and 90% of what I'm doing now, what I know now, is things that I've learned from this specific business. And let me show you how you can get access to that business and create a free account. Click on the Make Money Online tab on my website. You can check out the affiliate marketing. All three of these links is the same business. But what I want to share with you is where it says, ever thought of building your dream business online? Click the Access Now button. You can create an account for absolutely free. Okay, it's going to cost you nothing. You can browse around, always do your research, watch this video, click the Get Started Now button, and then you can create your basic account for absolutely free and see what it's all about. If you like it, then great, you can upgrade. If not, then just leave it. It's not for you. Me personally, I'm on a platinum account. It's a $1,000 a month account, and if you don't believe me, I'm going to log in quickly to prove it to you that I'm not lying. Okay, the screen might be blurred at this point in time just to hide my personal account details from you. I'm logging in, as you can see. And then on the top right hand side, you will see Hi Errol. That's me. That's my account, my picture. And you will see Platinum, which means I'm on a Platinum account. Welcome to the 4% Platinum. You also show Welcome to 4% Basic. Okay. And then just a little bit of what you would get within this program is this, depending on your level. But I'm telling you, once you're in this, just this business alone has got within it multiple sources of income. That's literally pulling in money for you from all over, from everywhere. So just by being part of this business and basically working this business, it will change your life forever. Okay, it changed mine, and it will change yours. Okay. Once again, no guarantees. I'm not sure how hard you're willing to work. Are you willing to make it work? I can't guarantee any of that. Okay, so let's go back to the analysis now. Summary, we discussed the summary, we discussed the duration, and then scrolling down at this point in time, they are very open and which I like. They show you the open trades, the current open trades within the account that is running. GBP USD, Euro USD, Euro USD, GBP USD. The profit is currently in a loss profit. Okay, and then it shows you the amount of pips and so forth. Okay, then the history, it's got 214 trades that it's taken. Now, that's not a lot. Reason being, look at this. I personally would recommend buying a Forex robot that's got 3 years, 5 years, if you can, 5 years plus, otherwise 3 years plus worth of trading history. Reason being, you want a Forex robot to go through the ups and downs, the very volatile situations of a market. That is extremely important. There's no use of looking at a robot that's been trading 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, call it 9 months for a robot that's been trading 9 months. It's not a good or a bad thing. For me personally, I want to see the robot perform over 3 years and more, because I wanted to go through all the difficult times within the markets. Okay, so it's not to say it's a bad robot at all. It's not to say it's a good robot. But your statistics don't lie, and trading history and results don't lie. I'm not talking about back tests. I'm talking about real life trades. These are real life trades, no back tests. Okay, let's quickly open up the other 1, 2, 3 Forex robots. Like I said, I've got 4 open. I'm not sure where the 5th one is that you will get within your package when you purchase it. This one claims a 17.44%. I'm going to go over it quickly because it's all the same thing. You can use what you've learned within this video and apply to all the reviews you do or researches that you do regarding Forex trading robots. This one claims a 17.44% average monthly return with a drawdown of 8.85%. Awesome. Love it. It's low drawdown. It's amazing. I like that. Look here. Very low drawdown. Love it. Looking at the growth, I don't see any orange spikes or anything, meaning the equity and the account balance stays on par. It does not deviate too much, which is brilliant. It means that there's not a lot of trades open. Trades are not in huge losses. It's great. Only thing is, when you click on the General tab, it's a demo account. 1 to 500 leverage. I don't like the idea that it's a demo account. I want to see that it's a live account, meaning they're using and trading this robot live, putting their own money where their mouth is, if you understand what I mean. Then trading years, then again, same, it's been trading 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 months. So a year and 2 months. For me, that's not enough data for me to make an informed decision. Okay, no custom analysis set, track record verified, track trading privileges verified. Okay, not bad. Third Forex robot, same thing. I'm not going to go into too much detail. This one claims a 47.65% average monthly growth. Keeping in mind, if you scroll down, I want to show you something quickly. It's only been going for roughly the same amount of months. It's not enough for me. If you go ahead over to the General, this is also a demo account. I would love to see a real account with real life statistics. Okay, Wall Street, here's another one. If you click on this, is a real account. As you can see, real, it's 1 to 500. There's no, in this case, here's one. This account uses a custom start date. For full history analysis, use the custom analysis tool. Let me show you what I meant. Let's quickly see what's happened before this date right here, this date of the 15th of February 2023. Custom analysis, let's go. I want to see all trading data, all pairs, everything. In this case, it's only got one pair, which is the GBP USD. And now I want to say analyze. Okay, let's analyze. Let's see what this account did. Okay, not bad. It's still consistent. It took a bit of a dive, but then again, still growing steadily. Claims a 5.84% average monthly growth. Drawdown is slightly high, 21%. Then again, not too bad. This is the balance of the account, and now it's been growing very consistently, very small increments, which is good. Look here, not bad. That's a good graph. You don't want to see these high ups and high downs and high ups and high downs. Not good at all. Okay, and that's basically it. Numbers of years or months. 1 month, it's been trading for 5 months, so not enough for me to make a decision whether I should buy it or not, or not enough for me to say I'm going to buy it. Okay, that's not enough trading data for me. So if you do want to purchase this robot, like I said, head over to my website, Forex Trading, Forex Robots, then scroll down and then click on this link right now. Once again, thank you for watching this video. Give this video a like. I appreciate you. I thank you, and may you have a blessed and a wonderful, successful financial future, and may you be blessed with health, love, everything that is good and positive. Cheers, and I will see you in my next video.